Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What the court has indicated is what we've been talking about, that in this particular application, the applicants were not doing what they were supposed to do in good faith. Hence, the court used a very interesting word, that they were reckless. The reason why it came to that position is simple, that there were summons that were filed by the applicants when they sought literally the same relief, and when they decided, whilst those summons are pending, to come to court and seek the same relief on an urgent basis, then they were not acting in good faith. The matter in the summons case is still pending, and they knew it for a fact. So what the court simply did was to uphold a point of law that we raised. And we are, of course, excited about the judgment, though we expected that costs at an attorney and client scale were going to be given. But nonetheless, it is what it is. The net effect of it is that let's wait for the summons which are going to deal with the argument that they were bringing now into conclusion.